Hello, and welcome to My Little Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today, I'm going to make homemade yogurt with you. And it's super easy because we're going to do it in an Instant Pot. And this is going to be one of the simplest recipes you've ever made before. It has just 3 ingredients. It's so simple to do, and it's really a set it and go, and you just come back when it's ready. All right, let's get started. And here we are. We have all the supplies we need to make our instant yogurt. We're going to use 1.5 liters of ultra pasteurized milk. Fairlife seems to be the brand that works the best for this one. Now you can't just use regular pasteurized milk or it won't take. The ultra pasteurized milk is what you really need. So Fairlife has a great ultra pasteurized, ultra filtered milk that you can use for this one. Also, you're going to use 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and you're going to need a yogurt starter. And your yogurt starter can simply just be some yogurt you buy at the store, just a little small container of Greek yogurt. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of it to get started. Now, once you make your yogurt, you can just withhold 2 tablespoons and save it in the refrigerator to use to make new yogurt next time. So that's the great thing about yogurt. Once you've made it once, you can keep making it forever and ever and ever with a little saving, just by saving a little bit of your previous yogurt. Now, what I did, I used a small bit of Faye yogurt. It's a Greek yogurt. It's really good. And that was my basis for my original first yogurt that I made. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take our Instant Pot here. And let's go ahead and pour in our 1.5 liters of milk. To that, we're going to go ahead and add the evaporated condensed milk. Now, this one you're going to add to your taste. Some people like to have their yogurt to be fairly sweet, and some like it to be a little more on the bitter side. So if you wanted a sweet yogurt, go ahead and put the whole thing in. My family likes the yogurt a little sweet, so we put the whole thing in. And if you don't want it as sweet, you can just put in half of the yogurt, or so half of the milk. Or you can also skip the evaporated milk altogether. And if you do that, then you're actually going to make a Greek yogurt. So it's going to be a little bit more sour, a little more bitter. That's as the Greek yogurt style is, but it's simple to make Greek yogurt just by simply omitting the evaporated milk. Okay, and what we just added just a second ago was the yogurt starter. Now we're just going to take a whisk and whisk it all up together to get everything all nice and mixed in there. And once everything's mixed in, we'll go ahead and add our lid to our Instant Pot. One thing I wanted to mention to you is if you're going to make yogurt on a regular basis, go ahead and buy a second ring. I have 2 rings here. One ring that I use when I make soups and stews and other things, because the ring can get a little bit, you can pick up a little bit of flavor from strong things like garlic, and so you don't want your yogurt tasting like garlic. So I have a ring that I use just for the yogurts. Now, on the Instant Pot here, we're going to simply go ahead now and just turn on our Instant Pot and set it to the yogurt function. And 8 hours is what we're going to go ahead and cook that for. And so it's already started on the 8 hours right there. And we're actually so we're going to go ahead and leave it there and just hit start. Come back in 8 hours and we're done. Okay, after 8 hours, we took our yogurt out of the Instant Pot and we put it in the refrigerator overnight. And now we can go ahead and serve our yogurt. So let's go ahead and serve some out here for us. There we go. Yum. All right, so we got that served up and we're going to go ahead and take a taste now. Delicious. Now don't forget to take 2 tablespoons out and save it. Just go ahead and throw it in your freezer until you're ready to make your next batch of yogurt. And you'll go ahead and take that 2 tablespoons out, defrost it, and then you can go ahead and use it as starter for your next round of yogurt. Thanks for joining us today on My Little Country Living as we made homemade yogurt with our Instant Pot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more recipes like this one. Thanks.